Stream proximity. Channel. Stream erosion. Channel erosion is a natural process that benefits stream and riparian ecosystems. Erosion in naturally stable streams, such as streams that are in equilibrium condition, is evenly distributed and therefore minimized along the stream channel. Erosion is also a dynamic process where the movement, sorting, and distribution of sediment and organic material create a diversity of habitats. When streams are in disequilibrium, excessive erosion occurs in some channel locations, while excessive deposition occurs at other locations up and down the length of the streams. Some habitats become scored of beneficial woody debris and sediment, while others may become smoothed. Where stream disequilibrium is prevalent in a watershed nutrients, for instance phosphorus, that are attached to eroded sediments and released in unnaturally large amounts. Streams are one of the most effective surface agents and erode rock and sediment. Erosional landscapes such as the Grand Canyon have been formed by constant erosion from running water over millions of years. In addition to eroding the bedrock and previously deposited sediments along its route, a stream constantly abrades and weathers the individual rock and soil particles carried by its water. Hydraulic action, abrasion, and solution are the three main ways that streams erode the Earth's surface. So we can see here on the two images on the right types of stream erosion. So it depends on the width of a stream. So on the top picture the width of the stream is lower, but the depth is more deeper, larger. Meanwhile, on the bottom picture the width of a river stream is very high. Therefore, the area of erosion, the area which is prone to water erosion, is larger, but the deepness of stream is not very high comparing to its width. Hydraulic action. The ability of flowing water to dislodge and transport rock particles or sediment is called hydraulic action. In general, the greater the velocity of the water and the steeper the grade, the greater the hydraulic action capabilities of the stream. Hydraulic action is also enhanced by a raw and irregular stream bottom, which offers edge that can be grabbed by the current and that create uplifting eddies. Abrasion. Abrasion is the process by which a stream's irregular bed is smoothed by the constant friction and scoring impact of rocks fragments, gravel, and sediment carried in the water. The individual particles of sediments also collide as they are transported, breaking them into smaller particles. Generally, the more sediment that a stream carries, the greater the amount of erosion of the stream's bed. The heavier, coarser grained sediment strikes the stream bed more frequently and with more force than the smaller particles, resulting in an increased rate of erosion. A common management strategy to control erosion is to maintain vegetative cover in fields along the banks of streams and around lakes to maintain stability of soils. As you can see on this image, river banks, especially on the other side from our perspectives, is protected by vegetation. Meanwhile, on our side you can see that it's less protected, and therefore river stream causes a small level of erosion across its banks. Proximity tool. So proximity tool can be divided into two categories depending on the type of input the tool accepts: features or rasters. The feature-based tools vary in the types of output they produce. For example, the buffer tool output polygons features which can then be used input to overlay or spatial selection tools such as select by location. The raster-based Euclidean distance tools measure distances from the center of source cell to the center of the destination cell. The raster-based cost distance tools accumulate the cost of each cell traversed between sources and destinations.